The question we are going to solve now belongs to test series 1. It is of control system subject. In specific, it belongs to time response analysis of control systems. As per the question, it is given that there is a control system to which a PI controller is introduced. We need to pick the correct option as related to the effects produced. The option number A says that the rise time doesn't change. The option number B says that the steady state error increases. The option number C says that the overshoot increases. And the option D says that none of the above are true. We need to pick the correct option out of these four options. We know that a PI controller which is introduced in any control system will have a transfer function of g of s is equal to kp plus ki by s. As PI controller takes the input as an error and produces an effect, so in time domain it can be written that the effect E1 of t is equal to kp multiplied by E of t plus ki multiplied by integral of E of t dt. This is because g of s is the transfer function of the PI controller which takes the error E of t as the input and produces an effect E1 of t as the output. From this, we see that due to the introduction of the PI controller, the error E of t gets magnified in two ways. One is by a scaling factor of kp and other is due to the integration as well, the error gets magnified. So from this we see that the response time of the system reduces, hence the rise time decreases. Hence the option A is not correct. Also we see that as the error gets magnified a lot in this case, the action will be quick and more, hence the steady state error reduces. So the option B is also not correct. Due to the same analogy as before, due to a quicker action, we see that the output of the system increases above the output levels possible without the PI controller, because of which we see that the overshoot in the output increases. From this we see that the option C is correct. So we can say that due to the introduction of a PI controller, due to the magnification of the error due to the proportional and integral actions, the rise time reduces, the steady state error reduces, and the maximum possible overshoot increases. From this we see that the correct option is C.